Okay guys, here it is. The latest addition to the Dude Ranch fleet of implements for the Kubota L3901 tractor. It is a WoodMaxx wood chipper. Just got it off the truck, and we're gonna take the box off here in a second and check it out. So here it is with the box off. This is the Mx-8800 model. It's an 8-inch chipper, runs off the PTO. It's one of their higher end models, completely made in the USA, as opposed to some of their other models which are made in China and out of lesser grade steel. So I decided to upgrade, and if I'm gonna do it once, I'll do it right and get one of the good ones. There is some assembly required, so I'm going to pick up the pallet and move it over into the shade in front of the garage over here, and we'll get to putting it together. And once I have it together, I'll check back in and we'll test it out. Okay, so as you can see, I got the new WoodMaxx chipper inside the garage. Can work in the shade a bit, out of the sun. And I got all of the parts and tools and hardware all laid out. Made sure everything's there, and it is, with extras of every bolt and everything too. So that's good to see. And here's a quick look around at the chipper, just briefly. So we're gonna get to putting it together. All right guys, so here we are. I finally finished assembling the new WoodMaxx Mx-8800 wood chipper. I got interrupted yesterday. I had to go to a little dinner party, but got it all hooked up, and I'm about to bring it back into the woods and try it out on those couple piles of brush for the first time. Let's see how it does. Okay, so now that we got the new WoodMaxx Mx-8800 wood chipper back here with the brush pile beside me, we're gonna give it a try for the first time and see how it does. I just spent about the first 10 minutes chipping with the new WoodMaxx Mx-8800 8-inch capacity hydrostatic wood chipper. And I started with a decent sized pile of brush. It still is a pretty good sized pile of brush, but I gotta say, I'm actually pretty impressed with how it handled some of the larger branches and how it was breaking some of the crotches in the branches. As you can see, these are pretty fine wood chips. It's doing a great job so far, and I gotta say I'm impressed. So let's keep chipping a little bit and see if we can get rid of the rest of this brush pile here. Alright, so Sam just got home from work. We got Sully in the wood chip pile here behind us. He hasn't seen the chipper work yet, so we're gonna fire it up and continue working on some of this brush.
Let's do it. Well, certainly made short work of that pile.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I'm super impressed with it. It hauls through big diameter stuff with ease. I like how it munches up small stuff without futzing with it a lot.
Yeah, the one thing, you know, obviously since I do tree work and using big chippers every day, downsizing to this, I was a little bit apprehensive, but the one thing I was worried about was that I was going to have to be cutting, you know, with the small topper or something, every little crotch and everything to pull it in, but that downforce, those two hydraulic little cylinder actuators, whatever they're called, works really well. It just seems to pull everything in, and if it doesn't get it to it immediately, it kind of eventually gets to it.
Right, yeah. See it drag sort of at the bottom and hang up for a second, but then it still eats it at the end. So.
Right. I think it's like the biggest diameter, it seems to suck in because that's what the wheel is actively down on, and then once that goes through, it seems to get the smaller stuff. So.
But that one big long length that we snagged from back there was, you know, what was that? Probably close to 7 diameter.
6, 7 inches. Yeah. I mean, it was kind of rotten too, which it was easier to chip, but I was worried that it might get clogged up in the chute there, but this chipper actually has big like fan blades on the back that help shoot
debris
like
out.
Propulsion or something. So all in all, I think it's going to be great. We got another pile back there. We have another pile down by the lake
and just being able to drive this thing around the property and quickly, you know, have you on the tractor, you could literally be moving forward and I'll just be grabbing brush and stuff that's on the ground and you know, throw it into the back of the chipper. It's going to clean up the forest floor really quickly.
Yeah, I think it's going to be a game changer for the property here. So
sweet.
All right.
I'm sold. It's great.
All right, well, you heard it here. This is the WoodMaxx Mx-8800 8-inch PTO-driven hydrostatic, wow, that's a mouthful, wood chipper. First day running it. Only one that I've seen really on YouTube. So we're definitely going to have some more videos on it, and I'll probably do a video kind of walking around looking at some of the features of it. But all in all, first impressions are 2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up.
All right, well, thanks for watching. If you like this kind of stuff, like the video, subscribe. If you got any questions or comments, put them in the section below. And we'll see you here next time at Dude Ranch DIY.
Dude Ranch DIY! Sully, this is why we can't have nice things, dude. Look at you. You're a disaster. You're covered in wood chip. No, no, no. What? Come on. Another day at the Dude Ranch, I guess.